I'm Nathan from Juicing.Systems, and this is our Kreutzmeier Equipment Maintenance Guide for your belt press. Welcome back to our Equipment Maintenance Guide. Today, we're focusing on the belt presses. You're going to want to start by checking the bearings, ensuring they're properly greased and none of them are seized. Next, you're going to test the press juice level control. This control should activate the pump whenever the juice level increases, and it should shut off the press if that juice pan becomes over full. Next, you're going to want to inspect the bristles on the belt brush cleaner. Those bristles should be straight, not bent, and they should all be the same length. Moving on to the wash arm, you're going to want to check to make sure that those bushings or bearings are working correctly. While you're down there, check the belt for tears and check that nozzle to make sure there's no blockage. Ensure the automatic belt centering is also in alignment to reduce strain on the belt and to maximize durability. And don't forget the gearbox. Check the oil level through the sight glass or by checking the fill level screw. Safety first. Next, you're going to want to test all of your emergency stop functions and make sure they're working correctly. Lastly, you're going to inspect that belt all the way around for any tears or damage. Keep your belt press in top condition for a successful pressing run and stay tuned for more maintenance tips.